Welcome back to CGR. So today I am going to be doing a fog light install on my 2019 Dodge Durango. It is a SXT. So I am going to be doing a LED. I do have LED fog bulbs in there already. They are bright white. But actually I had a company reach out to me. They are Auto One LED lighting. They reached out to me through email and they said if I would love to review any of their products. And of course, why not? So they let me pick a vehicle, and of course I picked my 2019 Dodge Durango. And I've never had yellow fog lights. So I obviously, I picked the yellow fog lights. I know they're better for, yellow's better for driving, especially in heavy fog. And I will show you video in this of how it looks at nighttime, how it looks on the road, especially on some dark roads. But I'm glad he reached out to me. I hope I could make more content with their products. I'm going to give you my honest opinion review on their brand. Once again, they are Auto One. They reached out to me, and as you can see, for my 2019 Durango, it is an H11. So it's a pack of 2. It's exactly how it comes, except it was wrapped. I just took off the wrapping, obviously, to make it easier. And I will show you their website real quick. This is how it looks. And they have basically LED lighting for your entire vehicle. And I like how they state all their premium quality, free shipping on about every product. And they do come with 2-year warranty. So you could buy directly from their website, but I've also seen them on Amazon. So if you want to purchase through Amazon, I think that's just your personal choice. This came real fast, even through this was through their store website, not through Amazon. I will leave a link to these directly to their website of this exact bulb being used in this video. So with that being said, let's just unpack it. Well, like I said, it comes wrapped. Obviously, I took the wrapping off. So it comes with a little manual. And then you got your 2 bulbs. And what I like off the bat is that you could tell the weight on them. And like, they feel heavy. Nice real thick gasket to seal it. So these look good. Like, you could tell when you get some cheap LED lights, they practically weigh nothing. Like, these are pretty, like one of these is heavy already. So that's pretty cool. So here they are. So, obviously, right in the center, you get 1 chip on each side. And it's pretty cool. I was looking at the manual. It kind of even shows you install tips. But what I did like is that it gives you, your troubleshooting. So if you're getting flickering, no light, or light is dim, it tells you what to look for. So this is pretty cool. So definitely quick little unboxing. As you can see on here, I haven't checked out their whole entire website yet, but you could see about every bulb they offer. And color, see, so we got, this is going to be a 3000K golden yellow. They also have 6500K white. And it looks like they have switchbacks, white and gold yellow switchback. That's cool. I do have some switchbacks in the Durango at the moment. So yeah, from here, we're just going to go to the garage, install these. And I'll show you guys how they look. And I'll show you some video how they look at night. So let's go to the garage. Okay, so I'm out in the garage now. And basically, for the fog lights on the 2019 Dodge Durango, this is probably the same on the 2014 up to even the 2022. You can see, obviously, we got our fog lights here. Honestly, I just put a mat down so I don't get dirty. You really don't need nothing. You just go on and get down here. So here's my old bulb. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's probably like $20 on Amazon. Not the greatest. And as you can see here, I have the new bulb hanging, and it's just right there. Right there. That's when it just screws on. So I'm about to put it on. I'll show you how it looks. Okay. And this is how it looks installed. So this is the passenger side. Now I'm gonna go to the driver's side. Okay, so now we are on the driver's side. I just move my mat over. I remove my old bulb. We got our driver's side fog light. Literally right under here, you push this mat back. We got our connector there. Let me see if I could get my light. Let me see if I could turn on the light. There we go. And there is right there, right next to the, looks like the washer fluid. Here is the entrance right there. Right next to that plug, our bulb goes in there. So I'm gonna put my bulb in there. I'm just gonna twist it in place. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so I twisted it into place. I'm gonna connect it. And then I'm gonna turn on the lights to make sure they turn on. Unfortunately, it's hard to hold the camera or hold the phone in such an angle. But you can see right there, so I'm gonna plug it in, see if it turns on. All right, so it turned on. Man, these are pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've honestly never had yellow fog lights. And as you can see, that beam pattern matches perfectly. You see how they're lined up perfect on each other. Nice. That's the passenger side. And then we got a driver's side. And that's how it looks. That's pretty cool. I like these. I think I'm gonna keep these actually. I'm not gonna go back to the old ones I had. So don't skip this video. I'm gonna put some drive time video of it at night so you can see how it looks. Right now I have my headlights off and then I just have my switchbacks on. So that's how it looks. So man, it looks sick. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. I wonder how that's gonna look like in pitch black darkness. All right. Well, don't skip this video. I'm gonna show you some drive time video of it, how it looks at night. Okay, so that basically concludes my review of the Auto One 3000K yellow fog lights. Do I recommend them? Yes, if you are in the market for yellow fog lights. As you can see in the video, it's somewhat real pitch black down that street. I do have I think they are 85-watt headlights, so they're a little overpowered. But you can still see the yellow. Now, once again, a lot of people buy yellow fog lights for looks, style, how it looks on their car, truck, SUV, etc. Basically, yellow fog lights are more for visibility. They are known to be visible a lot in fog conditions. Apparently, they can break through fog conditions. I've seen it. You've seen it. A car with yellow fog lights in a dark road, you can see it miles down the road. That yellow just stands out like no other. In real bright, busy lights, or not lights, but streets, where there's a lot of, street lights, it will definitely overpower it. It's still there. You won't be able to see it on the road, but they are on, and they're still noticeable. So, it is not something for everybody. I'm going to keep them. I like it. I like how they look. So, once again, I want to give a huge shout out. Thanks to the people out in Auto One. Hopefully we can make more videos with more products that they do have. And I will leave all my info, link to this product below. All my contact info is below. That's how this company was able to contact me, through my email. But yeah, I do recommend them. I like them. You're looking for yellow fog lights, check them out. I'll give you guys their website, and they do have an Amazon store as well. But I do recommend them. I'd say they're about an 8 out of 10 for me. They're very good. So check them out. But with that being said, guys, like I said, I do review stuff I buy and purchase on my own money. They did send me this. If I could purchase this or many other things, I would. But, I am a small channel, slowly growing. So I can only review what I can get my hands on at the moment. But with that being said, guys, I'm going to catch you guys on the next video at CGR. See you guys next time.